Welcome! I have three newest phones from Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. The phones come from the European distribution and we will check if they come with factory installed screen protection. So I will start with the first one, S21. And let me just zoom in the camera a little bit. So if you take a look right here, and here on the edges you can spot this, it's some kind of the protective film against the scratches, right? It's not tempered glass. You can see it clearly right now. It starts from the very edge and it feels really good. And when you turn on the screen, you cannot spot it right now. You can only see it when the screen is turned off. Next we can move to the S21 Plus. So as you can see, it's the same protection film against the scratches, and it comes from the very edge. And it feels the same like on the S21. So if you want to protect your phone better, you have to buy tempered glass, because this one is only protect from the scratches. And we are going for S21 Ultra. This one got the curved edges. S21 Plus and the normal S20 got the flat screen, but here we can find a little bit edges, and it's the same protection film against the scratches. It starts from here. Like, take focus. And when we turn the screen, it will be the same like on the previous models, that we cannot spot it right here when the screen is turned on. And it feels really good, and the device is working really well with this screen protection. But as I said before, if you want to protect your phone much better, you have to buy tempered glass. And remember that this one has a curved screen and the two models has the flat. So yeah, that's how we can check if they comes with the protection factory installed from the European distribution. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!